This is an important update to HREP. Please watch this video twice. I will demonstrate some key features now. In Boeric's Materia Medica, type any remedy, abbreviation, abrotanum, let's say, and search. You will see the Latin name as well as the common name, and below that Clark's clinical indications. So these have been taken from Clark's Dictionary of the Materia Medica and added to Boeric. Next, go to the repertory search, and here you will see a question mark at the end of the search text box. These are actually quick hints. You tap the question mark and you can see the search tips. So we've included some very interesting search methods. So here I want to search for ear pain and night. And I get pain menses appear. So the thing is, it is searching for text within the rubric, such as pain is found, ear is there in appear, and night is in midnight. Now if you want the exact sequence, we've included a new feature wherein you can actually replace the space by an underscore. But it has to be exact. So if you put a space like this, it will not be exact. So ear, comma, underscore which represents a space, pain, comma, underscore which represents another space, and search. So you can see the results. Next, we can see the percentage sign. So here I would like to give an example of right and left. So I search for this now, and it shows left and right, right and left in no particular order. But suppose I were to put a percentage here and then search. Now it will show only right followed by left. So that is the purpose of the percentage. Next, FRQ, TRP, PKR. These are three new features, three new search methods. PKR is my custom repertory from my earlier app HQR. So you have many rubrics but very few drugs in each. So there is no point in taking ear pain from Kent and seeing 300 or 200 remedies. Here in PKR you will see, if I put earache, you have just some 6 drugs. So you can use either of them. Don't use both rubrics from Kent as well as here, because then in the repertorization that these few drugs will get a disproportionate value. So also TRP is for clinical searches. So you have TRPs and cough. You will find commonly found clinical complaints like abdomen pain with cough or holds the chest with cough, etc. So this kind of narrows it. Similarly, you could use FRQ. This is for frequently used things. You can get it in mind as well. So what are the frequently used mind rubrics? So abusive, ambitious, ailments from anger, etc. So don't forget to use this pop-up. Now I want to show classification. So for example, here if I put classification and I search, I find all the different things classified as best as I could. Now if you were to look for a particular thing, in which classification is, let's say, pulsatilla. So you put pulse and you search the word classification. So this you're doing in the Materia Medica search. So when you do this, you will come to ranunculaceae. So these are the features. One very important thing I almost forgot. Here I'm going to take fear night in the repertorization section, and I'm just selecting any number of random rubrics so that I get a result. I'm just choosing all of them, repertorize, and here are the results. Now you can print and save this page. So here it is. You can see it shows a classic as well as expert view, all drugs as well as common drugs. On the right upper corner, you can see a PDF in a circle. Touch that and it saves it. So ideally you should make a folder HREP and then save the patient's name. I shall put my own name here, EVS Prasad, and save. So right now it's going to save it in downloads folder, but you should you should make an href folder and save it there. So I hope this is useful. Do read the help files and go over them carefully to get the best use of this app.